Say happy birthday. What?
Zoe, can you say happy birthday, Uncle John? Say happy birthday.
I drop it.
That's okay, pick it up. 5-second rule.
Come over here and say happy birthday, Uncle John.
Fourth time's a charm.
I go cheesecake.
Whose cake is that?
I got it.
Say happy birthday.
I have happy birthday. Yeah. What is your birthday? Is your birthday?
Whose birthday is it?
Birthday Uncle John.
Uncle John.
Can you say happy birthday, Uncle John?
Put on it.
You blow on it.
Uh-uh.